In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to my Google site using GoHighLevel. We'll keep this simple and focused. The idea is to use GoHighLevel as your central media library, upload the image you want, and have it ready to place on your Google site. This keeps your assets organized and easy to reuse across projects. Start by opening your GoHighLevel account and heading to your location's dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and find Media Storage. This is your built-in library for images, videos, and other assets. It's a great place to keep everything tidy so you're not hunting through different folders later. Inside Media Storage, you'll see options to connect external sources. If you design in Canva, you can connect Canva here. That link lets you pull your finished designs straight into your library without downloading and re-uploading. It's a one-time connection and you'll be prompted to grant permission. Make sure you're connecting the correct Canva workspace so you see the right designs. Alternatively, you can connect your cloud drive. Linking a drive is handy if your team stores shared brand assets, logos, or photos in one place. As with Canva, you'll grant permission and then be able to browse and import directly into GoHighLevel. Connecting either of these is optional, but they can save you time. For this example, we'll upload directly from the computer. Click the Upload button at the top of Media Storage. A small menu will appear giving you the choice to upload a single file or an entire folder. Pick what fits your situation. A single file is perfect for one image, while a folder is useful for galleries, ad sets, or multiple size variations. Choose Upload File to bring in just one image. Your system's file picker will open. Navigate to the image you want to use, select it, and click Open. You'll see the upload progress, and once it's done, the image will appear in your library. A few quick tips while you're here. Use clear file names so you can find assets later, and consider optimizing the image size for web use to help pages load quickly on your Google site. Standard formats like PNG and JPG work great, and keeping dimensions consistent with your site's layout will help everything look clean. That's it. Your image is now stored in GoHighLevel and ready whenever you need it. From here, you can access it in your library and use it as part of your usual process to place images on your Google site. If something doesn't upload, double-check the file type and size. Ensure any connected accounts have permission and refresh the page before trying again.